Shiba Inu has seen a significant drop in exchange outflows over the past 24 hours, with a reported decrease of 21.5%. This means fewer SHIB tokens are being withdrawn from exchanges, which could indicate a shift in investor behavior. Typically, when tokens are being moved off exchanges, it suggests investors are either selling or preparing to sell. But now, the opposite is happening. Investors are holding onto their SHIB rather than moving it, which may point to uncertainty or a wait-and-see attitude in the market. The data shows that the average amount of Shiba Inu tokens being withdrawn has dropped sharply compared to recent weeks when outflows were high. This is unusual because periods of high withdrawal activity often precede significant price movements. However, in this case, the last 24 hours have been unusually calm. Despite this, the exchange reserves remain steady at 80.8 trillion SHIB. This suggests that while the movement of tokens is slowing, the overall volume of SHIB held on exchanges is not decreasing. This could mean that large holders are choosing not to act, possibly waiting for clearer signals before making decisions. From a technical perspective, Shiba Inu has broken downward out of a rising wedge pattern that had been in place since March. This pattern is typically seen as a bearish sign. Most people arrive after the move is obvious and the easy upside is gone. We focus on serious crypto education and high-quality signals before the crowd rushes in, so you can understand the setup earlier and move sooner. If you want that edge, visit the link below now. And the token is now trading below both its short and medium-term moving averages. The 200-day moving average remains above the current price, which reinforces the bearish outlook. However, the token has managed to stay near a key support level at 0.000055, and the slowdown in selling activity is being interpreted as a sign that pressure to sell is easing. This is an important development because it shows that despite the technical weakness, the market is not yet showing panic or aggressive selling. Investors may be waiting for a clearer direction, and the recent drop in outflows could signal a period of consolidation. This is not uncommon in crypto markets, where extended periods of uncertainty can lead to a temporary pause in movement. The fact that SHIB is not being moved off exchanges as quickly could mean that traders are waiting for new information or a catalyst that could spark renewed interest. The recent decline in Shiba Inu's price has also led to a drop in trading volumes. This is another indicator that the market is in a holding pattern. Typically, high trading volumes accompany significant price movements, but in this case, the volume has cooled down. This suggests that there is less immediate demand for SHIB, and traders may be waiting for a stronger signal before acting. However, the token's ability to hold near the key support level is a positive sign, as it shows that sellers may be running out of steam. Investors are now watching closely for the next signal that could determine the direction of Shiba Inu's price. The next potential catalyst could come from broader market sentiment, regulatory updates, or a new development within the Shiba Inu ecosystem. For now, the market appears to be in a state of balance, with neither strong buying nor strong selling pressure dominating the scene. This is a relatively rare period of calm in the crypto space, and it could be a sign that SHIB is. Most people arrive after the move is obvious and the easy upside is gone. We focus on serious crypto education and high-quality signals before the crowd rushes in, so you can understand the setup earlier and move sooner. If you want that edge, visit the link below now. Preparing for a more decisive move in the near future. The key takeaway from this data is that Shiba Inu's on-chain activity is showing signs of stabilization. While the price is still below key averages and in a bearish pattern, the drop in exchange outflows is a sign that investors are becoming more cautious. This could mean that the market is preparing for a period of consolidation before the next move. Investors should keep an eye on the next 24 to 48 hours for any changes in this trend, as it could signal a shift in market sentiment and provide a clearer picture of where SHIB is headed next.